Hey, I hope you're doing well today. Today's video is just a really quick unboxing. I just got something from KORS and it's not a handbag. So this is the box that it came in here, and I actually asked for it to be gift wrapped because I had never seen their gift wrapping before. So I wanted to see what it looks like. So here it is. I feel like it's really big for what I ordered. I think I just ordered the one thing, pretty sure. Oh wow, it is seriously almost too pretty to open. Like, I hate to open it. Okay, let's see if this bow is stretchy. I don't think it is, but this is a really nice box. Like, this rivals, let's see, I can't get my Louis Vuitton box down from there, but it definitely rivals that box. Definitely. So let me take the ribbon off. Oh cool, it has little stretchy things behind the ribbon so it stretches. Cool. Alright, so here we go. Opens at the bottom here. Well, maybe it's not too big for the box. So you can see probably what it is. So I picked up a pair of shoes. This is my second pair of KORS shoes. I made another video, I can't remember which one it was, but I'll try to link it above, where I unboxed the other pair. And these are kind of a staple for me, and I really don't have a pair that I'm really liking right now, so that's why I went with these. And I had been looking at these for a long time, and they've been on sale for a while, and I just really never went for it and got them. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get them. So each one is wrapped, which is nice. Yeah, they're so pretty. Look at this. So this is called the Emery, and it's the crinkle leather, I think is what it's called. I'm gonna take the stuffing out. Smells good. The sole is really nice. It has these. I've gotten several pairs of shoes over the last like 2 months, I would say, and the soles are just slick. I was gonna wear one of them to work the other day. I put them on, walked out into the kitchen where we have tile floor, and like almost slid and fell. And I was like, okay. So I went and changed, put another pair on, and the same thing happened. So I'm gonna have to get some like sole grips or whatever they're called so that I can actually wear those shoes. But anyway, these are the ones that are made to go down like this. Didn't I get another pair? Yeah, a Coach pair that were they're blue, that are made to do the same thing. And that's kind of like the Gucci, is it Brixton maybe the Brixtons, I'm not sure, that do that. So you're supposed to be able to, you know, push those down and walk on them like that. I won't do that unless for some reason one day my heel is killing me, but otherwise I'm not going to do that. But these are just so nice. I mean, look at the little detail right there. Can you see that? Let me move. It's like a little MK actually. So these they are all leather, and I'm not sure if the sole is leather. Usually if the sole is leather, it will say on here. So I'm not sure if that is. The heel that's probably about a ½ inch, maybe ½ inch or inch. I'm not good at that. But there's like a little bit of padding, not much, not a ton of padding, but a little bit. I did get my regular size 6, if I haven't already said that. So I'm gonna try my best to show some footage of me having these on, because there are still some left. I looked online just a minute ago. There's still some left in the black and also in a silver, I believe it is. I just tried them on and I love these. I love them. My left foot is a little smaller than my right foot. I had surgery on my right foot, and so it's still swollen from that surgery, which has been since 2012. 8 years. Has it been 8 years? Holy crap. Anyway, it's still swollen. It's just not going to go down. So my right foot fits perfectly. The left is a tad big. But that's okay, I can work with that, no big deal. But I'm gonna try, like I said, to put in a little bit of footage of these shoes so you can see what they look like on. I don't think I really found any on YouTube because I always YouTube everything before I decide to purchase it usually. And I'm pretty sure I looked for these and didn't see anything. So hopefully this will help you if maybe you had these in mind to get. But that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for watching this short little video, and I hope you're having a great day. I hope you will like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.
Baby.